Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you how to uplevel your design and presentation with AI-powered Visme. A quick reminder, I share everything about UX from portfolio reviews, design crit, and interview tips on my YouTube channel. If you are interested on this type of content, please feel free to hit the subscribe so you won't miss any of my future content. Let's jump into it. Visme is a one-stop solution for a variety of design and presentation needs, merging the functionalities of form builders, design and presentation, and project management into a unified platform. By introducing a suite of advanced features powered by AI, Visme is transforming into a comprehensive design ecosystem that can help you stand out as a UX designer from many aspects, including portfolio design, presentation, data visualization, and more. So here we're looking at some examples of what you can create with Visme, which include presentations, documents, data visualizations, social media graphics, and videos. Well, first of all, let's talk about design and Gen AI. As Gen AI becomes such a hot topic, you might be hearing a lot or seeing news articles talking about, will AI replace our job as UX designers? If you're interested on this topic, I have another video talking and sharing more about my opinions on this. Long story short, I don't think AI will replace your job as a UX designer in the near future. But the designers who really know how to use AI, well, I really think that every UX designer should really lean in and learn how to leverage those emerging AI tools to see how to apply them into your day-to-day work. And it might feel scary or overwhelming as there are so many content produced around this topic. The more you acquaint yourself with the technology and the emerging AI tools, especially the ones that are relevant to design, it will become less scary and less overwhelming. So first, let's dive into the AI-powered features. So Visme has a suite of AI tools that are designed to boost your efficiency, enhance your creativity, and streamline the content creation process. You can input a text prompt and select a style and generate a design in minutes. You can regenerate or edit a project easily, adjust the color, remove the background. You can generate text with AI writers, and you can generate one-of-a-kind image and choose the result that you're happy with. And also, Visme can help you generate complete designs, from generating presentations to creating documents, generating print materials, and producing social media graphics. You can transform your designs with Visme AI using AI image generator, AI writer, AI resize features, and more. And you can edit images like a pro with just a few clicks, like removing background, upscaler, and blur, erase, and replace certain elements in your image. You can set up your brand assets with AI and even experience the next level of search capabilities. So to understand how you can actually use these tools, let me walk you through some examples. So first of all, you can sign up free anytime to try this out. So once you have signed up, you can create new, and from here, project, I will just go ahead and click generate with AI. We're looking at this window, create a beautiful design with Visme AI designer. And here, you have this chatbot that really having a conversation with you where you can start replying in message, what do you want to create? So here is my prompt. Create a modern, simple design presentation to feature a cybersecurity mobile product hot armor. And I'm gonna click send. Okay, sounds like the bot wants to get some more details. For example, product features, market analysis, what are some key sections that I would like to include. So I'm gonna give it a little bit more details. Cool. So after providing those details, what sections that I would like to include, it asks me to choose a style on the right panel. So you will see as I click the right arrow, there are different versions of the presentations generated for this prompt, kind of like this one. So let's take a look. UX strategy report. I really like how simple and clean the layout looks like. Also, it feels like it has the structure that I can adjust to fit my project purpose. So I'm gonna just go ahead and click use this style. There we go. So now we're looking at this presentation template that generated for me with just a few seconds. As you see, it started with a nice cover image. You can totally customize the structure and adjust the image that you like. But overall, I think it's a really great starting point, and it saves me tons of time, so I can just jump in to customize the content. So another thing I wanted to highlight is Visme offers a unique and diverse assets library that can really help you stand out. Well, the example I want to share with you is how to create some web graphic for my UX portfolio. So in this case, I'm looking to create a cover image for my UX case study. Okay, so back to this home page. Once you tap on web graphics, you can see that there are a lot of materials in this library, from wallpaper, phone wallpaper, block graphics, and different sizes of web elements that you can use. So say in this case, I'm looking to create something like a cover image for my UX portfolio. I'm just gonna go click on the wallpaper, and I'll just put mobile device. So it's not only limited to phone, and you will see like there are watch, there are laptop, and of course phone and different like tablet devices included. This is the one that I selected. I really like the clean image background. It has like a little bit context but not taking too much attention. But the product that I want to showcase here is a mobile product rather than tablet. So first of all, I see there is another template on the left hand that actually has the phone mark. So I'm gonna click on it. Okay, instead of replace, I actually want to add a new page. So I'm gonna click add a new slide, blank slide, and insert this page. So from here, I can just grab this element, copy and paste to this page. I'm gonna delete this mobile phone and adjust the size so it actually fits the screen better. I have just uploaded this mobile screen that I want to use here. So I'm gonna just drag and drop. There we go. See, I think this kind of phone mock is just really handy for any UX designers. If you want to mock like a presentation or a web graphic, it takes literally a few seconds for you to drag and drop, and so it can become a really nice visual presentation here. So now I'm gonna customize and change some of the text data to make it reflecting what I wanted to show here. For the button, I actually would love to match this color, do a color match, so we can change the color of the button. I'm gonna do like a color matching with the brand color here. Okay, there we go. So of course from there you can do a few more adjustments in terms of the font or size. It only took me a few minutes to create this wallpaper that I can use to feature in my portfolio, web, or presentation as a cover image for the case study. Well, one other example, sometimes you might want to show a little bit detail of the design with the call out, and there are templates like this which I find really helpful. So this is the actual template I just grabbed from the layouts, and where you can change the color of the background, drag and drop the screen in this phone mark really easily, and adjust the call out to match what you want to highlight of your design. And again, this only took me a few minutes to create. So I hope this helps you get an idea of what you can do with Visme to uplevel your design and presentation in just a few steps. Another thing I wanted to share with you is Whiteboard. As product designers or UX designers, we all work a lot with different kind of information architecture or user flows. In this section, you will see that Visme has a huge library of templates that you can use for things ranging from brainstorming, creating user flows, task flows, or creating your wireframes for the product. So I think this comes really handy if you are looking to create some illustration to showcase your design process, or if you want to create a user flow. There are templates such as this one, although it's showing like an e-commerce website flow, but you can easily customize and use this as a template to adjust and create your own app or website user flow. And if you click on the wireframes, it will show a number of examples of wireframes that you can use as a template to create your own mobile product or desktop product. Again, it is really easy to customize and adjust those elements to make it your own story. Another example I want to talk about is data visualization. As a UX designer, it is incredibly important to include data in your story and to present it in a visually compelling way. So here you can navigate a number of charts, graphs to create your own diagrams. Or you see like there are different kinds of charts, from funnel charts, pie charts, cone charts that you can customize and tailor it to your own story. Another area is the infographics. I think when we present our stories, no matter it's like a web portfolio or project presentations, a lot of times we need to visualize the data and tell the story behind. I'm going to click on statistical, and you will see there are some really cool examples of how you can present data. So from here, I can just select one that I like. So this is the one I just selected. Here, for example, it shows some research studies numbers presented in this bar chart. If I click on that, you will see there's one area called value. And if I just drag this around, the graphic automatically match the value that I need to show. So for example, I'm going to show like 50%, and the graphic automatically match the value that I set up here. Similar to this, if I wanted to use this wheel chart where it shows 81%, I can customize the color or adjust the value just by dragging over here. So the number actually will be reflected in this chart. How convenient is that? Okay, that is all we have for today. So to summarize, I think presentation is a critical part of a UX designer's day-to-day job. It plays a huge factor in job interviews, your day-to-day work, and also advancing in your career. Visme is not just another design tool. It is really an all-in-one design and marketing solution that can help you up-level your design and presentation. As the bar of getting into UX becomes higher and higher, Visme can help you stand out, no matter you are a beginner or looking to advance in your career. Last but not the least, you can click the link below to try it out for free. Please check it out and let me know what you think. Also, if you have any thoughts or feedback, please feel free to leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. I will see you next time. Bye.